If you use just one of the 4 tips I'm going to give you in this video, you can double your sales. If you use 2, you can more than double your sales. 3, you'll sell even more. Well, you get it. And these are guaranteed to work if you apply them. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1, get better at selling. Look, if you get better at prospecting, presenting, overcoming objections, closing, follow-up, and the other aspects of selling, you can easily double your sales. In order to get better at selling, first, make sales a study, and second, do what the top salespeople do. So pick up and study anything you can find on the subject of selling. Books, audios, videos, articles, and other materials. Next, find the top salespeople in your office, your company, and your industry, along with the top salespeople in other industries, and find out what they do to be successful. So if they have books, read their books, read their articles, call them, email them, take them to lunch, dinner, do whatever you have to do to find out what they do, then do the same things and you'll get the same results. Tip number 2, eliminate your largest roadblock. So what one issue do you have that, if eliminated, would have the largest impact on your business? Is it a lack of leads, inability to close or overcome objections, lack of organization? Whatever the problem is, zero in on it with a focus of a laser beam and resolve to eliminate it. Brainstorm ideas, talk to other salespeople, read books, search the internet, do whatever you have to do to come up with ideas to remove the roadblock and then get to work on blasting through it. Tip number 3, spend more time on your most important tasks. So your most important tasks as a salesperson, prospecting and building your network, presenting and closing, and follow up and building long-term relationships. So currently, how much time do you spend on those tasks during the week? The more time you spend on these, the more business you will do. If you can spend the majority of your time on these areas, your business will explode. Ultimately, you should be delegating anything that isn't related to these tasks. So start to eliminate or delegate all the tasks that are non-paying, non-business building tasks, and then shift that time to the important sales tasks. Tip number 4, get motivated. If you have a high enough level of motivation, you will do whatever it takes to be successful. So in order to find out what motivates you, ask yourself, why do I do what I do? Why do I get out of bed in the morning? Why do I go to work? Why? Your why will drive your motivation. The more powerful reasons why, the more motivated you'll be. So to come up with some powerful reasons why, you want to look at things like your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. What do you want to do, be, or become? Where do you want to go? What do you want for those around you? What regrets will you have if you're not successful, if you don't do what needs to be done? Who wins when you win? Who loses when you lose? Use these questions along with some of your own and find out what really drives you. Keep working on your whys until you're motivated to overcome any obstacle or adversity, and you're completely determined that nothing's going to stop you from reaching your goals and dreams. It's simple. If you have powerful enough reasons why, you'll be motivated and you'll simply find a way to achieve anything in your life that you desire. So tip 1, get better at selling. Tip 2, eliminate your largest roadblock. 3, spend more time on your most important tasks. And 4, get motivated by finding your why. And look, work hard on even one of these and it's going to be enough to double your income. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please pass it on. Hit subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next video.